Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated the newly constructed science section of the science block at Sngap Syiem College, Mawkyrwat'S today. The project, funded under the RUSA 2.0 at a cost of Rs 4 crore, includes the building, furniture and laboratory equipment. The event was attended by Mawkyrwat MLA Renington L. Tongkhar, Mawkyrwat MDC Karnes Soshang, Sngap Syiem College Principal Dr. K.K. Nongse and several other dignitaries and community leaders. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister announced an immediate grant of Rs 20 lakh under the Chief Minister's Special Development Scheme for the construction of a multi-purpose hall for the college. Additionally, he promised to provide a school bus for the institution. In a significant development, the Chief Minister also revealed that the State Cabinet had recently approved the introduction of science and commerce streams in 5 government colleges located in Sora, Mauplang, Bagmara, William Nagar and Mahendraganj. Alongside this decision, the government has also sanctioned funds for the creation of new posts required for these streams. Assuring support for Sngap Syiem College, Mawkyrwat, Conrad Sangma stated that steps would be taken in the coming months to address the college's needs for its science and commerce streams. He added that while the government is starting with government colleges, support will soon be extended to people's colleges, including Sngap Syiem College. Explaining the rationale behind the government's decision, Sangma emphasized the need to provide students with diverse academic options to pursue their desired fields of study. He noted that it would be unfair to deprive students of such opportunities.
Inauguration of the new building for the science section of the science block that we are witnessing today, funded under RUSA 2.0. Stakeholders, not only because demographically they are the largest group, but also because they are the future of our state. And hence, investing in the youth and investing in education is a priority and a very, very important aspect of what our government is doing. You'll be surprised to know that in our state, the majority of the people, I guess, who are sitting here right now, maybe 45 years and above, the population of our state of people who are 45 years and above, that includes me also, I'm 46 now, is only 6 lakhs. The rest of the population is below 45 years. That's how young our state is. And hence it is important for us to invest, to focus on our youth, and to be able to give them opportunities. And that is why education is very crucial for us. I wouldn't have the time to go into all the aspects of all the programs that we have done, but I'm sure that almost every sector, almost every level of education has been impacted by the different programs that our MDA government has done in the last 7 years. Be it in the LP school, be it in the upper primary, be it in secondary and even higher secondary and in the college. In almost every level, government has intervened by creating policies, programs, infrastructural support in terms of sanction post, which I'm happy that your college also is part of today, the People's College program.